Hello everybody, I'm Yi-Ting from Taiwan. Continue, we will introduce the same series of the bodega, the winery called Ferrer Catasus. And this time is a guy whose hair has been separated into two parts and with a lot of cloud and raining, question mark, a lot of doubts of life. Yes, and the name of this wine is Cap de Trons in Catalan, which means this kind of guy or this kind of person, no? So it's quite interesting, these two different bottles. Okay, so this is belongs to Denominación Appellation Penedès 2012 with the three varieties. The first is Shiraz, the second is Cabernet Sauvignon, and another is Merlot. So let's have a look. See, the color is quite light, no? It's just 2012 and we are at 2013 now. So let's have a look. Dark cherry style. See the color? Well, since it's a young wine, because you cannot tell any orange, no color character hint from that round. Very condensed, intense cherry character. Black fruit. A little bit metal style. Yeah, but it's quite interesting because I think this metal style corresponds well with the minerality in this region. And also you can smell the clay character, I don't know, the terroir actually. You feel limestone. Very thick, very round character. You feel you can chew this wine. You can bite this wine. Good acidity. Also correspond well the cherry and black fruit character in mouth. When you drink this wine, I prefer it to have a lower temperature. For example, like 16, will be better to consume it because this is a very hot wine. But it's very round, very good, and imagine with a big greasy steak, wow, or hamburger, that will be fantastic. So if you live in Barcelona, don't forget to go to SAE Online, this shop. You can shop online, SAE Online, or also you can go to Calle Tendenza 116 number. They have a lot of plenty of wines that you can choose from, Catalonian wines that you can choose from, and they only select special wines with story and history and special character of wines. So enjoy and hope you have a great summer.